Never ever hold a never mind. Oh,
Beautiful Virgos, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I welcome you to Solstera. So today we are doing a July reading. Look at the upcoming energies, supporting energies for the upcoming weeks. What you need to see, we're going to pull out a Moonology Oracle. Then from the Tarot Lights here, I'm going to clarify. And we close the reading with the notes from the universe. Okay. So now, as I said that, make sure that you watch your sun, moon and rising for a clear picture, okay? And also cross watches, use your inner compass so that you can see the reading more clearly, okay? All the information about me is in the description box. Kindly have a look and like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you my new joiners who are new. I welcome you on board. Let's heal the world collectively. And there's so much to learn and grow from each other, right? Sending you lots of love, light, and let's begin. Show me the message for my Virgos. You feel stuck. You feel stuck. You might not feel very positive initially. You know, that's what they show me. So you could be dealing with an Aries, possibly first quarter moon. Your commitment is being tested. And when I say that with sheer understanding that please do not give up. Be in faith. Walk in faith. Okay. And let's see what the tarot is advising, and then I'm going to clarify this as to what this oracle really means. Okay. I want to have a glass of water. One sec. Let me just take some water and then. Yeah, so whichever part of you, whichever part of the world you're in, there's no clock in the universe, right? So whenever this title attracts you, there's always something in this reading for you. Keep that in mind. No reversal unless I'm guided to no genders. So Virgos, you'll have a lot of mood swings, guys. Those who are watching, okay? Don't give up. Don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe, and that's the way it is. That is what I have for you, Virgos. So let's see what is that you need to see from the tarot. What is Michael Gill advising? Spirit is very. What is it Virgos need to see for the upcoming July? Nothing is too difficult, honestly. Queen of Pentacles, that's so very you energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Core card, so strong. Three of Pentacles, don't give up on your faith. Continue doing what you're doing. Continue weaving what you're weaving. You might have some obstacles, you might have some challenges, but they're there with a reason, okay? So you've been called to face them with pride and with strength. And say that, you know, I never give up. And you'll have to remind yourself that, you know, I will continue to do what I know in the gut feels right. With the Four of Cups, maybe Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy, but they're saying that, you know, you don't have to be in this energy. You have water in your chart, maybe you're dealing with one. You don't have to be in this energy. You don't have to be in the lack energy. You don't have to keep thinking, contemplating. You have to recommit. Recommit to yourself or someone or something. With the Two of Wands, that's what they're saying, that ask and you shall receive. You're waiting eagerly. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. You're dealing with an Aries definitely. So they're saying that, you know, it's coming your way. Just remind yourself that how much you want this, how much this means to you, whether it's in regard to your work, the success you wanted, the fame, name, etc. Could be in regard to your, you know, love life. You want to rush towards somebody or someone is rushing towards you. They're saying that keep the faith. Spirit is guiding you. They're sending you messages. They're sending you possibly people who are delivering those messages, but you're not paying attention. You're almost there. You're like halfway there. Don't don't stand confused, okay? Maybe you're dealing with an air sign, maybe you're dealing with a fire sign. And what else do we need to see for Virgos? All your financial disputes will be settled. It's just that you need to continue asking the right question to the right people. Okay, and keep saying that I'm committed to my dreams and I move forward towards it. Because you're not doing that right now. You're in the 9 of Swords energy. You are very anxious. You're very stressed about something. You're really very stressed about something. Could be work, could be health, could be love. Essentially, a relationship I see that you're very stressed about. But they're saying don't be in that energy because someone is rushing and is coming towards you. You are affected because you don't like people who are arrogant. You don't like people who treat you in a certain way, right? You want healthy relationships around you. We all want that, right? Maybe some of you would be feeling this way in the 9 of Swords energy because your work is not panning out the way you had thought. But Spirit is saying that everything is under control. This is your core card, baby. Queen of Pentacles. It is in control. You are in control. Just remind yourself that over and over and over because retrogrades are happening, right? So, of course, it is going to be a little challenging in regard to love. For singles, some I think, you'll be finding the soulmate. You'll be waiting in that energy, finding the soulmate. But ideally, it's about showing commitment towards what you really want with the Knight of Swords. Show that commitment that this is what I want, not like 4 of Cups energy. That, no, I'm not working out, not happening. It is the time with this card here, it is the time to stay all the more focused with the push and pull effect. Okay? You need to stay strong through the storm. Otherwise, you'll be pulled off. Okay? No matter whenever you see this reading, whenever you see these cards, remind yourself that drama will be out of your life if you believe that it's going to be out. You have to remind yourself again and again, my Virgos, that it's all worth it. It's happening for a reason. Okay? It's so happening for a reason. So let's see what are the final messages that we need to see from the notes from the universe. I like it. I really like it. This is like learning time. This is like reminding yourself that all is under control. I mean, I don't wither away. I will not wither away. I will not give up because I don't give up easily. So you can help people on the way, in a stronger way with your energy because, if you're in this energy with the Queen of Pentacles energy, you're all right. Even if something is very disturbing or, not working out your way, you're still okay with it. You're not like, oh my God, why isn't it happening? What is going on? And all of that. You're all right. That's what they're saying. No need to be anxious and no need to worry. There's nothing to worry about because there's a reason that this is happening. And they've given me 2 for you. Obstacles are detours in the right direction. So it's time for you to drop certain things that are not favoring you, that are not in your favor. Don't question it too much. Just accept. Just accept it. And they're saying my outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition. Absolutely. With the full moon, maybe you realize that however you're feeling inside, that is exactly what is being seen in the exterior world. And you have to kind of acknowledge that this is like that perspective shift. That this could be like divine handing you the cup and you're saying, no, I don't want it. How you see it, glass full, glass empty, is completely your choice, right? That's what they're saying, that don't be in this energy. Remind yourself your worth again. You are worthy. That's what they're saying. And you are meant for bigger things in life. Do not just yet give up because you're almost there. Do not give up, Virgos. Okay? Supremely positive reading. And if this resonates, give me a like and subscribe. Share the reading. And I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye for now.